Right now, the world is changing faster than any time in human history. Right now, the world is changing faster than ever before. Every second, millions of messages, videos, and ideas travel across the planet. A single post can reach millions of people in just minutes. Technology has connected the world like never before, but at the same time, it has created new challenges. Information spreads instantly, but the truth doesn't always travel as fast. One video, one tweet, one headline can change how millions of people think. Sometimes it brings people together. Other times, it creates confusion, fear, or division. Around the world, people are watching events unfold in real time. Wars, protests, discoveries, and innovations. Artificial intelligence is changing how we work. Social media is changing how we communicate. And young creators are shaping the global conversation from their phones. For the first time in history, anyone with an internet connection can influence millions. But with that power comes a question. Are we using technology to build a better future, or are we losing control of the systems we created? The world today is faster, louder, and more connected than ever before. And the choices we make now will shape the future of the next generation, because the story of this century is still being written.